So if you watched my last video of my do-it-yourself laser cutter from an old 3D printer, you'll know it was a disaster, like, you know, failure after failure. But I finally managed to print something that I think is going to work. So today we'll be working on that. Okay, without all the problems that we had, I think this is going to work. So here's my, hopefully autofocus will pick that up. Here's the top of the carriage assembly, and its height adjustment screw, and the revised laser holder. Already glued the nut in the little pocket in there, and to double check, yes, in fact it does snugly fit in there. So I will tighten these screws up and put that in there. Righto, the next step is to install the laser assembly. So I'll get that in there, slide that up, a little thumb screw. Let's see, that appears to be working great. Now that this is on, it's probably a good time to check to see if this actually works still. What I'm going to do is completely disassemble the rest of this, of all its parts, and go from there. Okay, with the case now completely empty, I end up with this pile of stuff. So the 24 volt power supply, the switch, a bunch of cables, stepper motors. That's for the heated bed, again, not used. The G-Tech board, which is beautifully labelled, I might add. A little touch screen, and a variety of cables. We'll rig up something to test this with. So I'll just quickly design a couple of parts for the PowerPoint. Have a cup of coffee and print it. As you can see, I printed the parts, and just so I don't die, won't be able to make YouTube videos, I just printed a little bit of a cover to cover over the electrical connections. Okay, we got it wired up. That's, good, great, yep, However, when I turn it on, and I won't just yet, two problems happen. One, it was looking for the Y-axis motor, because obviously the programming on the board is expecting a bunch of motors. So we figured that one out, not a problem. The next problem is when it tries its homing sequence, moves the X carriage all the way over, which, if I just manually move it over there like that, you can see that this carriage doesn't actually hit the limit switch. So I'm going to need to add an extension on that to account for the fact that it doesn't go over that far. The next problem is then, so you can trick it and do that, and you can trick this and click on that. The next big problem is it's trying to pull the Z-axis back, and because this is much wider than it was expecting, these do also not reach those limit switches. So this is a problem for future me, but on the upside, the motors do in fact work. So that's a bonus. But I'm going to wrap it up there and save this for the next video. So again, remember to like and subscribe, and I will and comment. It'd be good to get your comments. But yeah, I will catch you in the next video.